it right above that fucker. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It was right above it. Well, at least he's dead. I just can't get that. Oh. I got it. Did you see that? Ah! That was awesome. That's why I can't cook.